Yeah, hello friends. Welcome back to our channel again. So today we are going to have a look at an intraday strategy, where like how we are going to find the stocks for an intraday trading. Okay, so it will be a simple strategy. And before we jump into the strategy, right? So if you are watching our videos for the first time, then I request you all to subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon so that whenever we upload our new videos regarding the tradings, right? So you'll be going to get the notification for that, and you can have a look into that. Okay, so here we have uploaded lot many option strategies with the adjustments as well. Okay, and also we have provided lot many live streaming intraday strategies. Okay, so you can just go through it. Okay, so let's get enter into that. Okay, so what we are going to have a look at is we are going to filter out the stock which is going to gain on a hourly basis, and then like based on that hourly bullish stocks or the bearish stocks, we are going to have a look at the stocks and we are going to select it for an intraday. Okay, so for that, first what you have to do is just go to the Google and type Harley Gainers. Okay, so once you click on the Harley Gainers, just click on the first link which is from the Economic Times. Okay, so just click on this Harley Gainers, and then like you will be going to get the current hour here. Okay, so here like what you have to do is you have to click on the current hour. Like if you are at around 10 a.m., then just click on this 9 to 10, and also you make sure you remove this mid cap. Okay, so we are going to enter mostly into a large cap, which is kind of part of an F&O. Okay, so if you look at, so what you have to do is just click for this 9 to 10. Okay, so if you are going to enter into the trade by around 10:05 or 10:10 a.m., then just click on this 9 to 10 a.m. and then make sure that your percentage change for the past 1 hour is not more than 2% and not less than 1%. Okay, if you don't get any of the stocks, then just ignore the trade. Okay, so if you look at ICICI Lombard gained around 1.1%, and ECHR Motors gained around 1.12%, IOB around 1.13, and Bharti Airtel 1.15, and ICICI around 1.57. Okay, so if you look at all these five stocks have gained the have come inside our filter today. Okay, so these five stocks we can choose it. Okay, so then what you have to do is, so once you got the five stocks, what you have to do, so the next thing is just click for search for this particular stock. So I'll just go for the ICICI Lombard to search first. Okay, so here what you have to do is, so once you look at the stock, right, so make sure that your low and high is almost same, sorry, open and low is almost same, or at least it is nearby. Okay, so if that is the case, then we are going to enter into the trade. So okay, so by the time of 10 a.m. around, okay, so the stock is at around 1345, but if you look at the open price, it is around 1337, but it made the low of 1321, which is in a huge gap. Okay, so we are going to ignore this particular stock. Okay, so then the next thing is Bharti Airtel. I'm going to search for that. So if you look at the Bharti Airtel's share price, so here we can see that, so the open price is 867 and the low is almost near to that open price. So this qualify our intraday buying trade. Okay, so by the time of 10 a.m. we are going to enter into the trade, and our SL should be somewhere around the low of by the time of 9 a.m. Okay, so by the time of 9 it is 470.15, and by the time of 10 it is 475. So we are somewhere we are going to enter somewhere around 476 or 477, and then our low of that particular hour will be our SL, so which is around 470. Okay, so then we have to trial the stop loss for each and every 5-6 points for this particular stock. Okay, so since the stock is around 475 or 76, we are going to enter. So whenever the price goes around 483 or 485, around that, we are going to trial the stop losses for whatever the price it will move. Okay, so then by using that, we can stand in the trade for the longer run, and then we can trial the stop losses to trade it. Okay, so if you want that way, you can go do it, else you can just go for a 1:2. Okay, so if you feel that your stop loss is around 7-8 rupees here, okay, so then you can go for 15 to 16 point as a target for the profits. Okay, so in that case you can enter into the trade on every hourly basis, Okay, so here if you see this Bharti Airtel qualifies this stock, okay, trade. Okay, so make sure, just for an example, if your stop loss got triggered or if your target got triggered by the time of 11 a.m., then again by the time of 11 a.m. just you can go here. Okay, so if you look at the Hindalco is around 1.92% movement, which comes under our radar. Okay, so we can search for the Hindalco's price movement for today. Okay, so if you look at the Hindalco's share price, so its open is around 423 and it made the low at 423. And if you enter at the time of 10 a.m., right, so then we can see here it's keep on moving upside. Okay, and but here you can see if you are trailing our stop loss, might be our trailing stop loss might got triggered somewhere around 11:30, or our stop loss, our profit might have got triggered by 1:2 ratios. Okay, so by this way we can enter into the trade for an hourly gainers. Okay, and before you go for an hourly gainers, you should make sure that Nifty is trading at the positive side. Okay, so Nifty should be green, and only then you are going to search for this hourly gainers, and then you are going to search for the trade on every hourly basis, and then you are going to enter into the trade. Okay, so the rule is make sure Nifty is on the upper side, green side, to enter into an hourly gainers, because we are going to go on the long side, buy side. Okay, so then just make sure if you are going to enter into the trade of 10 to 11, make sure you are not going beyond 11.5 or 11.7 at least max. Okay, and your stop loss should be 1:2, your risk reward should be 1:2. Okay, so your stop loss level should be somewhere near to your price at the lower side of the time. Okay, so in the 1 hour candle. So by this way you can enter into the trade, and make sure your percentage change is not beyond 2% and not less than 1%. Okay, so if you look at, we have around 7 to 8 stocks, more than 10 stocks here by the time of 10 to 11. So we can easily find out any single stock which is having open and low as same or almost near to same, and then it is trading at the higher side. Okay, so by this is the simple strategy where you can filter out the stocks to enter into an intraday. Okay, so stay tuned, and going forward I'll be going to upload lot many videos related to this stock selection for intraday purpose, and also buy today, sell tomorrow, and swing trades, everything. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching, friends, and if you want to attend our webinars for a very lesser amount, which comes at 999 rupees, we conduct our webinars on every weekends. Okay, so you can just click on the descriptions link available. Go to letslearntrading.com, and you will find out the strategies and how to enroll. Everything will be there. And if you want to enroll to our Algo trading bot for free of cost, then you can just WhatsApp me at 7305226224. We are providing our intraday Algo bot for free of cost. Only thing you have to do is you have to open your AliceBlue account with us. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching, friends, and happy trading.